Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I have an exciting video to share with you guys. I have some last minute Christmas embellishment ideas to share with you guys. I know I haven't been on my channel, but I'm here now, so let's get on with the video. I made quite a few things last night. I was kind of like, let me just go into my craft room and see what I can do. And also I wanted to make some things that I've seen on Instagram quite some time ago, and I was just like, they need to get done and I just want to try it out. So I did, and I am so happy to share them with you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday. I am enjoying mine. I have been taking a step back because I've just been enjoying the holiday with my family and just wanting to come home from work and do other things other than just crafting. But yeah, so let me start with, let's see, I'm gonna start with these little cuties. These are little tags that you can put on Christmas gifts, and I think they're so cute. And there's just a little piece of twine right here, and then I found these cute little poinsettia stickers in my stash, and of course I wanted to use them. I saw something similar on Pinterest, and I think they just use a different stamp here that says Merry Christmas, but I decided just to write the word to, so you can write the person's name and then just add it to the gift. And I thought it was so cute. I did 2-inch, I used my 2-inch Recollections punch, 2-inch circles, which is the back. And then this little part right here, if you can see right here, is an ornament. And I used my AliExpress ornament die. So I used kind of like the middle one. I think it's like the smallest one, so that I can put it in the middle. But you can still see kind of like that wood paper on the background. I absolutely love how they turned out. So I made quite a few. This is the first one. I made this one, which also has the poinsettia, but they're all slightly different. And then here's another one with the poinsettia. So cute, with a little button. I think these look so adorable. And then the last two that I made them with these cute little bows. It was just like from a sticker pack from Dollar Tree last year. Same thing though, the little wood paneling paper with the white ornament, and then the little foamy sticker bow. And then these white little iridescent pearls are from Michael's. I think when everybody was getting them, they look like this. So I put those there just because I thought it looked super cute with some red and white twine. So yeah, you guys, those are some cute little gift tags. Super easy, quick. You don't have to have the ornament die. You can just use like a 1.5 circle punch and do that and put it right over, and you'll have the same thing, and just kind of like either staple or glue the little twine. So you don't have to have the ornament die, but it helps, you know. So okay, next thing, as soon as I saw my friend Stephanie post these, I was like, I need to make those. They're so cute, but I never got around to doing it. And last night I was like, you know what, let me just do it. And they're super easy to make. All you really need is one of these, which is like the garland from Dollar Tree. You get like 20 feet. They come in gold, silver, and in red. I actually finished my gold one last night, making the little wreaths. But this is what they look like. And it's just like some little garland with some stars on it. Super easy to work with. And then you're gonna need like a pack of these little rings that you use for the shower curtains. So you get these at the dollar store as well. And you guys, they turn out so cute. Look at this. How adorable is this? Just to give in a pen pal package, you know, just to share with your friends. I absolutely love this. I did the wrapping of the, the garland around the little ring. And then what I did was I put, I hot glued a little bow. And then to decorate, because it is such a small wreath, I used what she used. She said she had used the little puffy stickers. I guess it was easier. So I did use a lot of the little, a lot of the little puffy stickers from the collections. Like, I tried to use the Snow and Cocoa, but I didn't like the way it was looking. So I used the one from Merry Days and the one from Fa La La. And I think I had found some other stuff in my stash, like chipboard pieces, and I used that as well. So this is the first one. Super cute. And here's this one. So I did 2 pink and the rest with the red bows. So we got the cute little Christmas trees and the little bird. So cute, you guys. Then we have this one. We got the little gifts, the little ho ho ho, the Santa, and then the little red bows. Those were from Target last year, from the dollar spot. And we have this one with the little girl and the presents, and then I have the little 25 here. And then the last one is this one, which has the bow, and then I found these chipboard pieces, I think from the fa la la. So I kind of like layered the trees. I put the fa la la, ho ho ho, and this cute little acrylic, like, what is it, like a little twig. So cute. I am obsessed with how they turned out. They look adorable, and I'm glad I got to do them because I saw her picture and I was like, OMG, I need to make those. So I'm happy that I made those. Then I decided to make these cute little rosettes, but add these little things. So if you wanted to like hang them on something, so you can use them as tags, you can hang them on your tree. And this is what they look like. I had this super cute sticker pack that has like all these super cute stickers that I've never used. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use them for these. So all it is a layer of white crepe paper, these cute little doodlebug doilies. And I used a pink one, and then the rest I did the green because it kind of went with the sticker pack. And then I used this red ribbon that I had in my stash just to make a little loop on the top. So that's the first one. And we have this one. And in the back, it looks like that. Then we have this one. I meant to put the loop behind, but it was too late. So I was just like, you know what? They're going to stay like that. We have this cute little wreath. And I put this cute little word sticker from, I think it's Simple Stories Christmas collection last year. Jingle all the way. And then we have this one. And these are just fun little easy projects, you guys, that you can make like in 1, 2, 3. Nothing that you're going to sit there and have to do so many measurements and stuff. So that's why I say, you know, fast, last minute Christmas embellishment ideas. If you need to throw a package together right away, these are things that you can definitely consider making. And the last thing I want to share with you guys are these super cute bookmarks, you guys. How cute are these? I made these using the Fairy Tales New Christmas collection. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But these are so fun to make. I used the Becky Higgins, like the real large 12 by 12 sleeves to make them. And it's so cute. I love them. You can put them in your books. You can have them in your notebooks, anything. And I think they're just so fun and super easy to make. All you do is you cut your paper to size, however you want the size of your bookmark. Stick it in the sleeve, fuse it, and punch a hole on the top. And then you just put some ribbon through it, of course, so it can stick out the book. And yeah, look how cute. And it's like a little cute little shaker. So I made these 4. But yeah, you guys, these are some quick ideas, last minute, happy mail ideas. So let me know down below which one you guys like the most. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for continuing to subscribe even though I haven't uploaded. I love you guys so much. I promise 2019, I am coming back full force. I just want the holidays for myself. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Hit that bell to be notified, and I'll be back with the next video. Bye.